These are the elevators at the Ellis building or the Wells Fargo Advisors building in Sarasota, Florida. Here we are at 12. Out there you'll see, that's the elevator that goes to the 14th floor. We're gonna go 1. Here's your cab view. Here's your certificate, renewed for 2019. Here are your fixtures. These are actually Otis elevators with GAL fixtures. Here's your phone. Here we are at 1. I'm gonna call an elevator. "12. So now this is the left elevator. We rode the right one coming up on our first trip. This one seems like it's a little faster. I could be wrong though. And here we are at 12. There you can get a good view of the 14th floor elevator and the service elevator. So we're gonna go to 1. Here's your cab view again. It's basically the same cab. Whoa. I just dropped my phone screen protector. Don't know how that happened, but okay. Here is your certificate. I figured it's the same phone. Now I'm holding something, so I'll take a little minute. At 7. Now this is the middle elevator. How did that happen? My screen protector fell off again, and I think it's cracked. Oh well. Yeah, it's cracked. Look at that. Oh well. On with the video. Same cab as always. So anyway, I figure same phone as always. Yeah. Now we're gonna, actually no, we're just gonna end it down here.